Hi, welcome back. I'm Roy Gershon from Check Point's Technical Marketing Engineering team. In the previous video, we completed the configuration of VPN network probes. In this video, we'll show how AIOps monitoring of VPN tunnels is performed in real time using the VPN network probes we configured in the previous episode. We look at how to analyze probe status, tunnel health, and traffic behavior using the available dashboards and understand how this visibility helps with faster troubleshooting and better operational insights. Open the Check Point portal and go to Events and AIOps under Hybrid Mesh and Network Security. On the left menu, open AIOps and click Asset Dashboard. Now, go to the dashboard top menu and click on the VPN tab. Select a gateway and define the time frame. Now, let's take a look at the different sections available in the AIOps dashboard and understand what each one shows. The VPN throughput timeline displays the traffic flowing through the VPN tunnels over time. It shows both encrypted and decrypted traffic, helping you understand the direction and volume of data. Normal changes reflect regular usage, while sudden drops or irregular patterns may indicate connectivity issues. The probe status timeline shows the health of the VPN network probes. It is presented as a simple timeline where a value of 1 means success and 0 means failure. A steady line indicates stable connectivity, while changes may point to intermittent issues. The Status of Network Probe section provides detailed information about each probe. Here, you can see the probe name, status, source, destination, and the probing method. This helps you quickly verify that connectivity between endpoints is working as expected. The Status of VPN Tunnels section gives a deeper view of the VPN tunnels themselves. It includes tunnel state, peer details, and encryption settings. This allows you to confirm that the tunnel is not only up, but also properly established and secured. Together, these sections provide a complete view of VPN health. By correlating traffic, probe results, and tunnel status, you can quickly identify and troubleshoot connectivity issues. With this level of insight, you can quickly identify issues, understand their root cause, and maintain a stable and reliable VPN environment. This brings us to the end of this video. We've seen how AIOps provides clear visibility into VPN network probes, tunnel health, and traffic behavior. For more videos and updates, visit our TechPoint Central channel. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates and deep dives from Check Point.